Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, we can burn modules, computers, and that can end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? It happened to us back in the day. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Dodge Jeep Chrysler vehicles. All of these vehicles are built by the same company, Stellantis. Guys, that's why we mentioned them. For instance, that engine that you see here, that 3.6, been used in multiple Dodge Jeep and Chrysler vehicles. But if you have one of those, sooner or later you will have to disconnect car battery or replace car battery. Now we'll explain about common mistake people make when disconnecting and reconnecting car battery that can burn modules, computers, and cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with this, we'll explain what it is. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. Guys, you can find information about almost anything you can think of. And we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, these new modern vehicles, guys, are super complicated. They have up to 40, 50 different modules, computers, control units that communicate with each other. And guys, now if you don't connect or disconnect the car battery the correct way, you can cause to short things out. You'll be super lucky if you just blow a fuse, but in some cases you may burn modules, computers. It did happen to us back in the day. It cost us $2,000. That's when we first started working on cars, to replace traction control, ABS and traction control module on Mercedes vehicle. That's why we started making some of those helpful videos and learn from our mistakes, guys. But what we have here, which battery terminal you're supposed to disconnect and reconnect first, so you don't cause, you can guys cause damage to the electronics. If we come right here, the first thing that we need to do, let me just get the ratchet quick. You need to make sure that the terminals, once you disconnect them, they do not touch anywhere on the car, guys. They do not touch the body, metal parts, anything like that. And the first terminal to disconnect will be, the negative terminal. So the negative terminal is right here. That's the first one that we disconnect. Now, what we'll recommend when you disconnect it, guys, that will be the time to get a towel. Let me get a towel and make sure you rub them to make sure they don't touch anything, right? So we're going to go ahead and grab it and insulate it like this one to make sure it doesn't touch the battery again. Then the second step, will be to disconnect, guys. After that, you will need to disconnect another one, the positive terminal right here. So let me see if this wrench will go here. Yep. And that will be the second one. Now the connecting will be different, guys. And we'll talk about that in a second. Let me see, I think we need to do one more time. Perfect. That positive too, if you're replacing batteries, something like that, make sure you rub them good, to make sure they don't touch anything. When you install new battery or when you reconnect it, if you worked on your vehicle, the thing that you need to do, install positive first, guys. Positive first and get it tight, That will be the first thing to do. Positive first and you get that terminal tight. Then the next step will be, you get a negative and you install the negative. You may see sparks. Just make sure you install the cable at the correct terminal. Negative cable goes on the negative terminal on the battery. If you connect them the wrong way, you wonder what's going to happen. We have video on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys, and how to fix that problem. And you just hope you didn't burn a module or computer. Now, 9 out of 10 times, it will be something else. If you are curious what it is, guys, check out the video, will be on the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.